Guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of Google Ads course, I'm going to teach you how to create conversion ads for YouTube. Well guys, in the previous video, I have shown you how to create product selling ad, which is basically designed for e-commerce product, right? But in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create conversion centric ad campaign for YouTube on Google Ads, right? So stay tuned with the video. Let's get into my Google Ads account. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my Google Ads account. Now, in order to create a new campaign, obviously we have to click on this plus icon, click on new campaign. Now it is getting loaded. Now here we have to select the campaign objective. So what is our campaign objective? So in conversions, it can be sales, it can be lead generation, or it can be any kind of other conversions as well, right? We are creating conversion centric campaign now. But for now, for a time being, I'm going with create a campaign without goal guidance so that we can customize all that thing by ourselves, right? Now, obviously in sub campaign type, not sub, it's only campaign type. We are going to select video ad. Here in campaign subtype, now we are going to select drive conversions, right? Because as I already told you that this campaign will be the conversion centric campaign, and it also says that get more conversion with video ads designed to encourage valuable interaction with your business, right? So this would be the perfect campaign subtype for our business. Now here we have to select our conversion goal. So it can be anything. It can be lead submission, it can be purchase, or maybe it can be page views as well. So I'll be going with phone call leads, or you can create another conversion goals as well using this button. You just have to click here and then click on engagement. Otherwise you can directly go to your settings, and from there you can also create your conversion goals, right? So I'll be removing other conversion actions. Let me remove page views, let me remove purchase as well. I do have only one conversion goal. I'm hitting the continue button. Now here in campaign name, whatever the name you want to give to this campaign, you can name it. Otherwise you can leave it as it is by default, right? Now in locations, basically we are into our 3-step campaign creation process, right? As you can see, campaign settings, ad group, then ads, right? So this is 3-step campaign creation process, and we are in the first step. We are adding all the campaign settings. So once you are done with your campaign name, go to your location. In location, whatever the location you want to set, what basically your target location, you have to add here, right? So for a time being, I'm going with the whole country. Otherwise, if you want to target any specific area, city, or postal code, you can enter that thing here. Otherwise, you can click on advanced search. You can target those areas, right? You can target, or you can go with exclusion as well. Let's say you are targeting whole India, but from India you want to exclude few cities, so you can add those cities in the exclusion list as well, right? You just have to search. Let's say I'm searching Delhi, which is the capital of India and one of the biggest city in India. So right now I'm targeting the whole India, right? So in whole India, Delhi will also come, so we'll exclude this particular area, right? So let me remove this and let me select directly the whole country, right? In your case, it can be any other country. I'm in India, that's why it is showing me India. Now here in languages, English and Hindi is my preferred language because my audience is English and Hindi speaking, right? Otherwise, if you want to target any other language, you can select. There are many hundreds of languages are here, right? You can target multiple language as I am doing, or you can target only single language. Either if you want to target languages, you just have to remove these two languages and the all language will be automatically by default selected. Now in bid strategy, so what is the perfect bidding strategy for our campaign? So maximize conversion, because we are creating a campaign for conversions, right? So we want conversion, as much as conversion we can get, right? Now once you are done with your bid strategy, go to budget and dates. In budget and dates, obviously you just have to set your budget. It can be on a daily basis or a total campaign budget. I'm going with daily basis. I'm adding around 1800 rupees, not 18, 1600 rupees, which is around roughly around $20 a day. This is my daily budget, $20 a day, right? Now here you can set your campaign start and end date, right? If you click on edit button here, you can set your campaign start date whenever you want to start the campaign, and even if you want, you can set your campaign end date as well. But for now, I'm not doing any changes. I want to start my campaign from today only, right? Now in networks, there are two networks already been selected, YouTube and video partners on Google Display Network, right? So you can't do anything here. Your ads will be shown on both the platforms, mainly or majorly on YouTube, then on GDN as well, Google Display Network, right? Now here you can add site links as well, and it can help you to get 20% more conversions, right? So this is pretty helpful. You just, as you can see, I have already created site links in my Google Ads account, so it is showing me those site links over here, right? So you can select any of these, or if you want to create new, just click on new site link. So I'll be selecting, you can go up to 4, so I'm selecting 4 site links. So I've selected 4 site links. If you click on preview, you'll be able to see the preview as well. So this is how a site link looks like, right? And as you can see, let me go back. As you can see, it helps you to get 20% extra conversions. So yeah, it is pretty good to add your site links. Then product feed. Let's say you have approved your Google Merchant Center and you want to promote your Google Merchant Center product with your ads. So you can select this checkbox. Basically, you can check this box and you can select your Merchant Center store, right? And your products which are approved in this particular store will be automatically showing with the ad which you are creating right now, right? But for now, I don't want to show my Merchant Center product with this particular ad, right? But you have the option. If you want, you can go with. Then in additional settings, we get few more important settings option like devices, frequency capping, ad schedule. So let's start with devices. Devices is basically if you want specifically target any device. Let's say you just want to show your ads on tablets or maybe on mobile devices. So you can do like this. And now by default, the mobile devices is only being targeted, right? Even you can target on a operating system basis, device model basis, and network basis as well. If you click on all devices, you'll be able to see all the brands in Android, in iOS, or other brands as well. As you can see here, now you'll be able to target on a device model basis as well, right? But for now, I'm going with show on all eligible devices, so my ads will be shown on all eligible devices, right? Now frequency capping is like how much time you want to show your ad to the same user, so that the user can remind your brand and don't get irritated with your brand at the same time, right? So in frequency capping, we get two options: impression frequency and view frequency. So impression frequency is like if our ads is just showing on our users devices, that will be counted as an impression. But if our viewer is interacting with our ad, right? If the user is watching our ad at least 50%, 60, 70, right? Or if our user is clicking on our ad or on an ad link, so that will be counted as a view frequency, right? So I hope you understood the difference between impression and view frequency, right? Now here, what you can do is like I want to show my ad on a impression frequency basis. I want to show my ads 5 times a day. Every day my ads will be shown maximum of 5 times, not more than that, right? And this is for impression frequency. So in a week, my ads will be shown maximum of 20 times. In a month, my ads will be shown maximum of 50 times, right? Not more than that. Now in a week view frequency, I'm going with only 2 times because the user has interacted with my ad. Now I don't want them to irritate with my ads again and again by showing again and again, right? So 2 times would be fine, so that they can recognize that this is the brand and this is the product or the service, right? And on a per week basis, I guess 8 times would be fine, or 10 times would be fine for a per week basis. And I don't want to go on a per month basis. Let's leave it like this, right? So this is what I have done with my frequency capping. Then ad schedule. Ad schedule, as you know, that if you want to target any specific days, any specific timing, you can do it here, right? So these are the days, weekdays. Then you can directly target weekends as well. Then specific days are also available here, and even you can set the timings as well. Let's say you just want to show your ad on Sunday mornings and Thursday evening, right? And maybe on Saturday midnight. So you can set those timings as well here. But for now, I'm going with all days, right? Now in third party measurement, there's no any option. You can't do anything here. Now in video enhancement, it has already been selected. Allow Google to create additional videos. So it is basically on a beta version. If you want, you can check this box, otherwise you can leave it just to check, right? Now we are into our ad group. Create your ad group. So here you can add the name of your ad group. Whatever the name you want to set, you can set it here, right? Once you are done with your ad group name, here we are into our people section, like whom you want to reach, right? So basically here you have to define your audience, which will be the your target audience, right? So if you click on add an audience, as you can see, I have already been created few audience here, and if you don't know how to create audience, I have shown you in my previous videos. You can watch those videos if you want to learn in detail. But in this video, let me show you. You just have to click here. If you haven't created these audiences, you have to click on this new audience button, and once you click on new audience button, here you can name the audience. Let's say whatever the name you want to give, you can name it here. Now here you can target on a audience segment basis, basically your segment basis, your data basis, and on their interest, detail, and demographical basis, right? So here are three options. On the basis of these three options, you can define your audience, like what will be your target audience, right? So if you click on custom audience, if you have already created few custom audience, you'll be able to browse and search those custom audience here, right? But if you haven't created your custom audience, click on new segment. Here you can name the segment as well, and basically the segment is like you can add few search terms here, like whatever the search term your target audience will be searching on Google, you can add those search term here, right? And the audience who searches those search terms on Google will fall under this segment, and this segment will become your custom segment, right? I hope you understood. So you can add any keywords, whatever keywords you want. Let's say Google ads, right? So these are the search terms which people are searching on Google. So you can select the specific or the best suitable search terms which is for your business. So this is how you can do your segmentation. And in your data, if you have created any data, let's say people who have visited your website, you can create a list of those visitors, and that will be known as your data, right? So people who have visited your website, or people who have interacted with your ads, if you have run ads previously, people who have interacted with your ads, that data will be known as your data, right? Like as you can see, I have created one list, although there is no any basically the data is totally zero. There is no size of this list, but I've just to show you I've created this list, like customer who have visited my website. If I select this, this will be in my target list, but there is no data. Basically there is no users in this list, right? And in interest, detail, demographics, you can basically set or define your audience on an interest, detail, demographical basis, right? Here you can also click and you get some extra demographical details options here, where you can define your audience, right? So once you are done with your defining and your segmentation, you can save this audience and your audience will be created, right? So let me go to yes, discard, and now I'm selecting any of these. So I'm going with MF audience, marketing fundas audience, right? I've selected this audience. This will be my target audience. Now here we do have one more option, optimized targeting. So it is good to turn it on. There's no need to turn it off. Also it says that ads have been an average of 20% more conversion by using optimized targeting. Yeah, so let's use optimized targeting. Now in advanced settings, we don't have any option, because in this campaign type we don't get these type of targeting options on a keyword basis, topic basis, and placement basis, right? So this is not important at all. Now here we have to create our ad, as it shows create your ads. So first of all, we have to add a URL of our video, which whatever the video we want to promote. So I'm copying the link and I'm pasting here. Once you pasted the link, it will automatically fetch the video, and as you can see, our ad will be looking like this. Here you have to add your final URL where you want to redirect your user. So I'm searching marketing fundas, which is our website, marketing fundas. So the home page would be fine. Let's copy it, paste it here. Done. Right now in display URL is basically what will be the URL which you want to show. I don't want to add anything here because I'm just directly targeting the home page, right? So no need to change the display URL, but you can do. Let's say the main domain will be marketingfundas.com, and here you can write best. Also make sure that you are under the character limit. Best DM course in India. You can do like this, right? But as I told you that I'm not doing it at all right now. Now in call to action, whatever the call to action you want to add, you can add it here. So I'm going with learn more, or apply now also a good option. Let's go with apply now, or go with the learn more. Learn more is more suitable for this kind of ad. Right now in headline you have only 15 character limit, so I'm writing the same thing here, best DM digital marketing course, right? Perfect. Then you can add the long headline as well. So I'm copying a long headline from my website because I don't want to waste your time, as I'm creating a demo campaign, so I don't want to write it properly, right? So let's just copy one line, copy it and paste it here. Let me remove some extra text. Perfect. Then description, let me select this text, copy, and the description has only 70 characters limit, so be in your character limit. Oops, it's too short, man. Let me choose one of these like this, top digital marketing. Basically this was the suggestion directly from Google, right, which I've selected. Now my ad creation is done. As you can see here, my ad will be looking like this on mobile devices, desktop, basically on laptop, and the same will be shown on desktop as well, but this is for your YouTube home, right? Now here you can name your ad whatever the name you want to give. Now one more thing we have here, which is companion banner. And what is the use of companion banner? And this is only for computers. So if we go on laptop or desktop, here you'll be able to see a banner, right, which is related to your business, related to your YouTube channel. So whenever your ad will be shown here, you the user will be able to see the banner of your ad or banner of your business, right? So what you can do is you can create your own custom banner with using this dimension and file size and upload that banner. Otherwise you can click on this option and it will auto generate your banner using your YouTube channel's banner, right? So totally up to you, whatever the option you want to choose. I'm going with this because I haven't created any banner, custom banner right now. So I'm going with this one. Now here you can add your name, the campaign name, right? And if you click here, you'll be able to see that one ad is created. Now here with the same, using the same method, you can create multiple ads as well, so that your YouTube ad can perform better, right? So you can create multiple ads with different aspects. Now once you are done with your ad creation process, you just have to click here, right, create campaign, and as you can see, congratulations, your campaign is ready. Now if I go to my campaign, I'll be able to see a proper dashboard over here, right? Right now I'm in ad group. Now once your ads get approved, you'll be able to see the data here, right? Whatever the performance you are getting with your ad campaign, you'll be able to see those numbers here, right? So I hope you understood the process, I hope you learned the process, and if you like the video, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn Google YouTube ads, right? I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.